Folks, a fan told me his car wouldn't start. The shop charged 5,000 yuan but didn't fix it. He called me for help, so I'll take a look. Let's go see what's causing the problem. We'll try starting the car. Press the brake, turn the key. Try once more. See? It won't start. Any idea why? Let's check under the hood. Usually it's one of three things: fuel, electrical, or air intake. The shop likely checked fuel and electrical. Only air intake remains. It's probably the air intake temperature sensor. Let's remove it and inspect it. First, we'll unplug it. This sensor has no screws, just these two clips. We can gently pry it out. Look, it's covered in grime. No wonder the car won't start. Now that we've found the issue, it's easy to fix. Let's clean it with some detergent. This sensor measures intake air temp. If dirty, the computer gets wrong signals. Wow, it's filthy. Let's clean it thoroughly. See? Now it looks brand new. Let's reinstall it and test it out. Everything's back in place. I'll start the car and see if it works. If it starts, please give this video a like for support. Now for the moment of truth. I'll brake, then turn the key. It started. Let's try again. Another try. Brake, then ignition. One more time just to be sure. Thanks for watching.